Every immunity tablet begins inside a tightly controlled industrial environment where precision defines the entire process.
This facility operates under pharmaceutical-grade standards designed to eliminate variability. Raw nutritional compounds arrive in bulk shipments, sealed, labeled, and documented before entering production. Each shipment is logged and assigned batch identification to ensure complete traceability throughout manufacturing. What appears simple at first contains chemically complex structures requiring careful handling and controlled processing. Laboratory sampling verifies ingredient identity, purity, and concentration before approval for production. Exact measurements ensure formulation accuracy across every production batch manufactured here. Liquid components undergo independent testing to confirm stability and chemical compatibility. Analytical systems validate chemical profiles against strict pharmaceutical specifications.
Only materials meeting every requirement advance into controlled manufacturing.
Approved ingredients are stored under regulated temperature and humidity conditions.
Environmental monitoring preserves potency before processing begins. Production begins with automated precision dosing systems. Every gram is calculated, verified, and digitally recorded. Automation minimizes human error while maintaining industrial efficiency.
Blending merges individual components into a uniform nutritional mixture.
Continuous motion distributes micronutrients evenly throughout the batch.
Time is precisely controlled to protect sensitive compounds.
Granulation converts loose powder into stable particles for compression. Binding activates structural cohesion within the material. Structure replaces dust as the material stabilizes. Drying removes moisture without damaging chemical integrity.
Even airflow prevents clumping and uneven drying.
Sensors verify exact moisture thresholds before advancement.
Milling standardizes particle size for compression accuracy.
Screening maintains uniformity throughout the batch. Any deviation is immediately corrected by automated systems. Flow agents optimize tablet formation and machine efficiency. The mixture is now fully prepared for compression.
Compression transforms granules into solid tablets.
High-speed vision systems detect defects invisible to the human eye. Any tablet outside tolerance is immediately removed.
Only verified tablets proceed into automated packaging.
Electronic counters ensure exact tablet quantities per container.
Weight confirmation provides an additional accuracy checkpoint. Heat sealing creates tamper-evident protection. Cap torque is precisely controlled for secure closure.
Labels provide dosage, compliance, and regulatory information.
Batch codes ensure complete production traceability.
Packaging integrity is visually confirmed.
Secondary packaging protects bottles during transport and storage.
Robotics maintains speed without compromising accuracy. completes individual retail packaging.
Bundling stabilizes products for palletization.
Finished units are organized for distribution. Stretch wrapping secures loads during transport. Logistics data is attached for tracking.
The system operates continuously with synchronized precision.
When a batch concludes, equipment enters a controlled shutdown sequence. Production lines are cleared completely before final handling begins. Manufacturing transitions into logistics. One production cycle reaches completion.
Each bottle represents thousands of controlled decisions.
Uniformity is preserved inside every container.
Designed for reliability, not spectacle.
Traceability remains permanent. Nothing here is accidental.
Process defines quality at every level.
Precision extends down to microscopic detail. No shortcuts exist in medical manufacturing. Standards remain constant, day and night.
This is the full process.